Welcome back to the VIEZU Workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Jaguar F-Type R V8 in for an upper pulley, remap and dyno. But before getting stuck into any of that, we need to find out exactly what it's running. After its first run, we can see that this Jag is currently running 564 brake horsepower and 744 newton meters of torque, but we can do better than that. So it's time to hand it over to our technical team to see what we can do. So to get this upgrade underway, first we need to read the file from the ECU so that can be sent upstairs to our in-house team of file writers. While that's happening, our workshop team will get underway upgrading the upper pulley. So all the work is complete, the file has been written back to the ECU. It's time to get it strapped back down to the dyno to find out how much power we've added to this Jag. And after that run, we can see that all the upgrades and that new performance file have added up to 608 brake horsepower and 802 newton meters of torque. And if you've got an F-Type that wants the VIEZU treatment as well, then give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.